Morning children. So today we are going to see a story sums based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But today we are going to see a fraction of addition. Okay. So how to do the fraction addition sum. Okay. So when how you will find whether it is a addition or subtraction. Addition means they will ask for total or together, like that the question will be means you have to do a addition. So listen here. Amina bought 3 by 8 meter of red ribbon and 1 by 2 meter of blue ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon that she bought? So total length they asked, so we want to do a addition. So Amina bought 3 by 8 meter. Okay. Length of red ribbon equal to 3 by 8 meter. Length of blue ribbon 1 by 2 meter, and they asked total length. So total length of red and blue ribbon. So total means we should do addition, no? So both are in meter, so I am writing commonly meter. You see there is a denominator different denominator means we won't do the addition, so we want to make the denominator same. So for that we want to take LCM for the denominator. 2 table 8 comes at 4 time, 2 table 2 1 time, again 2 table 4 comes at 2 time, again go for 2 table 2 comes at 1 time. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we should change the denominator as 8. So what is the first one? 3 by 8. So 3 by 8, already the denominator is 8 only. We have to make the denominator as 8. So it is 8 only. So 8 table 8 comes at 1 time. Numerator 1, denominator denominator 1, numerator also 1. So 3 ones are 3, 8 ones are 8. The next one is 1 by 2. And this denominator we want to change as 8. So when 8 will come into table, it comes at 4 time. Denominator 4 means numerator also 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Now you apply these value here. So instead of 3 by 8, what answer we got? 3 by 8 plus, instead of 1 by 2, what answer we got? 4 by 8. Now you see both the denominator same, no? Now you write the denominator one time and add the numerator. So 3 plus 4 is 7 by 8 meter. Therefore total length is length of red and blue ribbon. Write in full form 7 by 8 meter. Okay, the next one. Raj ate 1 by 2 apples while Vicky ate 3 by 4 of an apple. How many apples did they eat together? Here what they asked? Eat together. I said total, and together they asked means we should do addition. So here also addition. Number of apples ate by Raj. 1 by 2. Next, number of apples ate by Vicky. 3 by 4. So we want to find total. So total means we should do addition, isn't it? So whenever we are doing addition, if it is mixed, we should make it into improper. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 4. Now you see the denominator is different, so we can't do addition, so we have to take LCM. 2 table 2 comes at 1 time, 2 table 4 comes at 2 time, again 2 table 1 time, 2 2s are 4 is the LCM. So make the first all the denominator as 4. So in 2 table, when you will get 4, 2 times, denominator 2, numerator also 2. So 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again the next one is 3 by 4. Here also 4 only, so 1 time. Now you apply this to here. So for 3 by 2, what answer we got? 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4, already 3 by 4. So what is the answer? 6 plus 3 is 9 by 4. So it is in improper, no? So make it as a mixed. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 1. So what is the answer? Quotient, remainder by divisor. Okay. So the next one. Ali read 1 by 8 of a book on Monday, 1 by 4 of the book on Tuesday, and 1 by 2 of the book on Wednesday. What fraction of the book did he read during these 3 days? 3 days means all the day, no? So we should add. On Monday, 1 by 8. On Tuesday, 1 by 4. On Wednesday, 1 by 2. So we want to find for all 3 days. Okay, so we should do addition. So addition, so the denominator is different. So we want to take the LCM. So 2 table, 8 comes at 4 time, 4 comes at 2 time, 2 comes at 1 time. Again 2 table, 4 comes at 2 time, 2 comes at 1 time, 1. Again 2 table, 1, 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we want to change all the denominator as 8. See already this one in 8 only. So we have to change only this 1 by 4. So in fourth table when you will get 8, 2 times. Denominator 2, numerator also 2. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. The next one is 1 by 2. In 2 table 1 when you will get 8. In 2 table when you will get 8, you will get at 4 times. So denominator 4 means numerator also 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Already the first one in 8 only, so no need to do anything. We have to write as it is. 1 by 8 plus 1 plus 1. Why I am writing like this? For all the denominator we got 8. The numerator 1 1 1 only is there. So 3 by 8. Okay. So all 3 days she read 3 by 8. Okay. Is up to this, copy in your classwork. Thank you.